Okay, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use SubKitchen. If you go to SubKitchen, sublimation.kitchen, and I think usually you can click on their logo, and it'll actually get you here. And if you're logged in, if you're not logged in, they may ask you to log in. But if you're logged in, you'll probably see this at the top. And usually if you just click on My Kitchen once you're logged in, it will take you to, I guess, your main dashboard or something like that. And here you can see artists, earnings, all of your designs. If you had designs, they would be here. So let me just get rid of this one here. You can always delete them, and you can always edit them as well. Okay, so we're going to make this real quick. If you want to actually design, create a new design, you can just click on this button here. And they give you a list of all the products, or mock-ups, I guess, that they have in the store. And you can just select something. We'll select a sweatshirt. And once you select your item, it's going to appear here. And then you just upload your artwork by clicking on the Upload Artwork button. Select your artwork, and I'm sure it has to be a certain size, but all my stuff is, all of this stuff is pretty large. That's 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, so I know that's good to go. And it takes just a little while to upload everything. Okay, I mean, I could start singing or something like that, while this thing is uploading, but we don't really want that, do we? Okay, so it's there, and you can, of course, control the size of it and all of that type stuff. Let's scroll here. Stretch that out. This is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so once you have your artwork loaded up, you can just save the file, and you can either select publish or no. I think if you do no, it won't show up on your store. Haven't really investigated that. You can give it a title. The title is actually the name of the product as it's going to appear on your storefront and on Shopify. So I'll just call this Skull. Oh, what is a sweatshirt? Okay. Okay, won't give it a description, won't give it any tags, but you can, of course, you can do that. And you have to select a theme from my understanding. I think you can select up to 4. So I'm just going to select skulls, click on publish. And this may take just a little while. Oh, it's going pretty fast there. I'm sure this depends on the size of the mock-up. But should be finishing up shortly here. And once it finishes, I'll show you where everything is right quick. And I think you already have Sublimation Kitchen linked to your Shopify store. So again, once you log in to the SubKitchen side of things, you should see all this stuff that I'm seeing here. Okay. Alright, so the product has been saved. And what it's going to do is going to actually try to display your artwork on all of these other mock-ups, which is cool. And then I think you can just select your new product, and maybe you can edit it and do all that type of stuff to it, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, so now you can design something new, or you can view the product. We'll just view the product. And again, we're still on the SubKitchen side of things. And here you can add the cart if you want to purchase it. I think you would just be purchasing it maybe as a customer. Not sure how that works, but you don't want to know that anyway. Okay, so now from here, you can actually click on My Kitchen. That takes you back to your default dashboard, and here you can select all, show all your designs, and that's here. And if we want to edit this, we can change all this type stuff. I don't see a price there, but looks like we can just change those details. And then if you want to let's say go if you click on, I think, Wholesale Dashboard, that's where you will actually be able to port it over to Shopify. So when this is black, it's still on this side, but it's not on your Shopify store yet. And if you hover over this, you'll see that it's been published here, but you have to click here, and once this turns green, it should be in your Shopify store. And usually what I do is just select the title here. I go over to my Shopify store. I go to all products, and I paste in the name, and as you can see, it's here. Now, what's cool about this is, of course, we'll be able to add our own mock-ups and stuff like that, because again, they're only going to give you just the, just the actual shirt or whatever the item is, and which is cool. But of course, we want to add our own stuff, our own mock-ups, to make it look beautiful. And here you can change the price and all that type of stuff, and then you're all done. I mean, so that's how you do it. And let me know if you have any questions. All right, peace.